Is that a snail? Tell Sissy what they are. What's that?
Unicorn.
Uh-huh.
Unicorn.
Okay. What's that?
It's a bug.
Where's a bug?
Where?
Go get the, where's the horsey?
Where's the horsey? There he is.
Get him. Where's the horsey? Where's the horsey?
There's no horsey.
Good. Where's the walrus? Get the walrus. Okay, where's the anteater? Anteater? Sheep? Where's the sheep? Get the sheep. Snail? Where's the snail?
Where's the sheep?
Where's your sheep? Get him. Good job. Okay. Get the kangaroo.
Where's snail?
Get the snail. Get the snail.
Get
Yay. Good job. Get your, can you get a duck?
Where's the duck?
Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Good. I think that's a goose, but same thing. What's that?
Goose.
Goose.
It's a goose.
Hey,
Hey.
what you doing? Go get the snail. Can you go get the snail? Oh, you already got the snail. My bad. Hey, say hey. Hey. A B C D H I J K L M N O P. 1, 2, 3. What is that? What's that? What is that? No. Tell it what it is.
No.
What is it? Is it a duck?
It's a goose.
A goose. Okay, say bye bye. Say
Bye
bye bye.
bye.